Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So what I got here is a utility trailer that I bought, well, a little while ago, but I wanted to do a video on it because I'm going to start doing some work to it to make it a little bit nicer. And I just kind of wanted to do a little overview of it, I guess, to just show you what it started off with. Obviously it's not super pretty, but I picked it up for $1,000 from a business that was going out of business. And I felt like it was a pretty good buy. It's got this box on here with a winch and quite a few other things in it. There's a battery box there for this little winch that's a Warn, so that's pretty good, but it's probably not any better built than those cheap Badlands. It came with a fair amount of stuff inside of it. I do like the winch and having the battery and everything and the box. But I'm going to get rid of the box and get one of those triangular tongue boxes from Harbor Freight and put it on here. Another thing, obviously there's a lot of rust. I'm going to try and take a sandblaster to it. I just don't have a lot of patience for doing like paint removal and stuff like that. So I'm going to do my best to try to get rid of as much as I can. And then I'm probably just going to get like a brush on metal paint just to make it quick and easy instead of doing spray and stuff like that. I'm going to put basically a used motor oil treatment over the wood to try to make it last a little bit longer. Something I'd like to get is one of those Harbor Freight truck bed cranes, and I'd like to mount it right up here in the front, but it's going to take a little bit of welding reinforcement and a little bit of time to get it done, and I haven't really had any uses for it yet, so it's not like I'm in a big hurry to do it. So that'll be a future video. There'll be some future videos and some future projects and things to do on this trailer, and so just expect to see those in the future. It came with a good spare and a couple of good tires, plenty of tread left on them. They'll probably rot in the sun before the tread even goes or gets all the way used off. This pin is pretty hard to remove, so I'm gonna have to do some things to take care of that. It does look like there were some add-ons, like the company that had it did some things on their own and welded it up on it and didn't really do the greatest job, as you can tell in a lot of these places. I might redo some of that, especially if it gets broken. Sometimes I look at it and kind of wonder if the whole thing was just home built anyway. It also looks definitely like a factory built trailer. I don't really see any brands on it anywhere or anything like that, but overall it's a pretty good trailer and I'm going to be pretty happy with it. I think it's got a place to put some loading ramps, which I do have some that hopefully will fit in there. The gate is nice and big. I can build some sides for it. I probably won't do that anytime soon unless maybe I start going out and getting firewood and selling it, which I probably won't because I tell myself I want to do that every summer going into fall, and I never do because it just never feels like it's worth the money and I get too busy with school. So it needs a little bit of work and it'll take a little bit of time, but overall I'm pretty excited about this trailer. Hopefully it'll serve me for a long time and I can get it looking a little bit better, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, and everybody, I hope you'll go hit the like button for me. We'll see you next time.